welcome back to another video. Today we have Bluey toys. Let's get the first one out. I think I love these toys. I think if you watch this show, you watch this video. So let's get this out. And we have a Bluey. It's so big. It's a Bluey plushie. I think this is one of the coolest ones. Oh, it's so cuddly. Let's get that at the end of the video.
Oh, they're hard to get out.
Okay, I think I remember who this is. It's like the red Kelpie from one of them. Rusty. Okay, I think Rusty is cool. I really like Rusty. I think he's very cute. Was he the one from the army one?
Yeah, the army episode.
Yeah. And then we have Muffin. And Muffin is very cute. I like how he looks. He just looks like what dog does he look like?
He kind of looks like them, the Bluey's family.
I think he is.
You said he doesn't talk, right?
I think he only talks like a little bit. And I think it's their dogs. Since they're dogs, they actually have. I think this is their dog.
Oh.
Yeah, I think so. And now we have Coco. And Coco, in the episode, if you didn't watch this one, there's she doesn't like to play by the rules, and she just wants to make it easier. In the Shadowland episode, I think this Coco one is cool. All right, let's get out this one. Wait, what's his name?
His name is Snickers.
Oh yeah, Snickers. He was also in the Shadowland, and I think I like this one. He's like a little wiener dog.
Yeah, he's cute with his little hat, huh?
Yeah. He's slow. In the episodes, he's slow. He's a slow poke. And then we have Bingo.
Is that the little sister?
Yeah. Bingo, I think it's very cute. And I like when they played Keepy Uppy, that episode. I think that was like one of the second episodes I watched. So this one's very cool. It could sit down and it could wag its tail. Now let's get out the dad. I forget what
His real name is actually Bandit.
Bandit. Okay, Bandit/Dad. And Bandit/Dad is, I think this is just like Bluey but like older. Yeah. And it's totally a boy. Why would it not? Alright, I think I love this one. Next up we have is Mom. It just says Mom. Or Mom.
Her real name is Chili.
Chili, and I think this one is just Bingo.
Looks like Bingo.
Yeah, it does. And now, last but not least, Bluey. I saved Bluey for last because she is the main character, and I like Bluey is my favorite because my favorite color is blue. And these are all dogs. Yeah, there's no other animals. And I think this one is very cool. Ooh. And magic xylophone. Alright, now that we're done with these, we have the plushie. Oh, let's get the plushie out. Bluey. Bluey. Bluey.
There you go.
Oh my. Bluey is so big.
He's 18 inches tall.
18? I think this is my favorite so far, but also the little toys. I'm gonna sleep with this. Aww. And bye. Watch Bluey.